Hi guys, Steve Bannister here. A quick tour of the Kalita Wave pour over. I've got 21 grams in. I'm gonna go up to 63 and thereabouts and give it a stop. That's my bloom. Give it a little shake, and then you can have a look. I'm gonna wait till around 30 seconds. Give another pour. Do multiple pours with this particular one. Got to be a little bit careful with the Kalita Wave. It's not as easy as you may think. You really should stay center as much as possible. So I think I'm going to go 250, actually 200, and then I'm going to finish to 350. 21 grams of coffee, 350 grams of water. There we go, right around 200. Give a little bit of a shake. Gotta be careful. You notice some of the pour overs I do, some of them have the ribbed, like the Fellow and the Espro, and some don't, just like the Chemics and the B60. This is, as you can see, I was usually waiting for about 15-20 seconds, but it's drawn down pretty fast. So I'm just gonna stick to the middle here. I'm gonna pour right out to 350 and then wait for the drawdown. Not going very close to the sides. I don't want to go messing around with the sides, especially with this, because sometimes if you're not careful, Kalita Wave tends to clog up a little bit. I'm looking at my kettle and boom, looking at the weights. Might give it a couple little spins here. One to get the coffee off the grounds. Wait a little while longer and give it another spin before we're finished. This is the 185, believe it or not. There's a 155 version that's even smaller than this one. Getting close to the end here. I think that'll be it. Probably can end up close to 3 minutes. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. If you can listen carefully here, you probably hear a little bit of drawdown. Sometimes it might get choked, so you gotta watch out. But I think we're going pretty good here, as you can see. Just about finished. I love this part. And look at that. Very few grounds except for the fines. Finishing up about 3 minutes. And there you go. So that's the Kalita Wave pour over. Cheers.